Hey superstars, this is Wesley Virgin. Let's go. I'm going to show you right now how to make money listening to music, okay? And this is true, this is legit. I did it and it works very well. Listen, if you're a person that listens to music, okay? Hit the like button if you listen to music in the gym, at work, at home, on your couch, whatever. I'm going to show you, when you have those iPods in your ears, I'm going to show you a site that will pay you handsomely just by doing what you love most, okay? Now listen, you don't have to sub yet. You don't have to like this video until I give you the value, okay? Now all you need is this. You need to have a Spotify account, which most of you have already, or you need to have a Apple iTunes account as well. But right now, we're going to do Spotify because I have a Spotify account. And listen, I'm going to show you step by step. So please listen, open your ears, open your mind, and pay close attention because I'm going to show you step by step how to do it to completion. Does that make sense? Now, the great thing about this, everybody can do this. If you're in Nigeria, China, India, Pakistan, I want you to hit that like button because you're going to get more excited when you hear this, because everybody on the planet can do this. Listen, this is the site here. Playlistpush.com. Okay? Playlistpush.com. Okay? Now listen, while you're watching this video, I want to encourage you to get your laptop and follow me while you do this, because I don't want you to miss a beat, and I want to show you proof. These people pay very well, actually, up to $12. So imagine making $12 an hour. Let's do the math. Let's do the math here. Hold on, let me bring out my calculator here. So here's my advanced calculator. Say if, think about it. How many songs do you listen to per day? Say if you could listen to 20 songs per day and it would pay you $12. 12 times 20. Okay. It's $240 a day. That's pretty good, right? Because all you have to do is, this site enables you basically to review songs from other artists. So artists, what they do is, like if you're an artist or a singer, you want to upload your music here basically because you're trying to get famous and you want to get popular so you can wear, jewelry on your neck and drive the cars with the big rims, right? I got you. So if you're like me and you only sing in the shower or in the car of the privacy of your vehicle, you want to go here to become a curator, okay? Click this button here, become a curator, okay? And basically, all you're going to do is listen to songs on this platform here via Spotify. They're going to send it to you. You just listen and you just review the song. See if you like it, if you don't. And they will pay you up to $12. They pay $1, $3, $4, depending on the song. But this happens every day, all day, and you can do this right now. That makes sense? Oh, thank you, guys. Listen, comment below if you think that Jay-Z or P. Diddy need to sign me immediately. Somebody said that my voice sounds like an angel. Thank you so much. All right, listen. So this is what you do here. Follow close. Now, as you can see here, every country is listed. Afghanistan, even my Nigerian brothers, okay? Guess what, Africa? I got your back here, okay? I got a lot of comments of people. They were stating that, Wesley, you need to do videos for people outside of the United States of America here. And guess what? You could be in Moldova, Morocco, Mongolia, doesn't matter, Namibia, even North Korea, right? So then you go down here, okay? Now this is important. You want to make sure you select 1,000 to 10,000 followers, because how many followers does your biggest Spotify playlist have? If you click 0 to 1,000, they're going to say, sir, you cannot become a curator for playlists, okay? Push. Or if you put, I don't have a playlist yet, then you're going to be denied. So what you want to do is select this. Now, I know what you're thinking, Wesley. Obviously, I don't have followers on my current Spotify playlist, right? So let me show you something here. Let me show you how to get it. And this is what we're going to do to work together. I'm going to show you how to get 1,000 in the next 24 to 48 hours. Using what we're doing right now. Listen, this is what I want you to do. I'm going to take you step by step. First thing you have to do is have a Spotify account. Okay, get you a Spotify account. You listen to music every day. Next, You have to create a playlist, okay? Create a playlist. You can call it whatever you want. Call it money. Call it I hate my job. Call it I love myself. It doesn't matter. You call it anything, okay? You call it whatever. It has to be brand new unless you already have 1,000. If you have 1,000 people that are sharing your playlist and following your playlist, you're good to go. You can start making money like right now, okay? But if you don't, you create a playlist like this, and now you need to add songs. Now listen, you can either add Drake, Beyonce, Katy Perry, whoever you want in the playlist. Or let me show you something else here, okay? Or what you can do is you can go to this link, and I will leave a link below. It's my podcast, and this is my Overnight Millionaire podcast. It's free. And if you want to listen to Wesley Virgin to get rich, to make some money, you can create your playlist right now for free based off my playlist. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave that link. Actually, let me see if I can copy that right now. I'm going to put that in the comment section below. Okay? That's my Spotify. That's my podcast. When you open it up, you can basically create a playlist, and you can add all this to your playlist. So at the same time you're making money with Playlist Push, you're learning how to condition your mind to make more money so you can have cool, exotic views like this. Does that make sense? Are you with me? Now, here we go. You're thinking, okay, Wesley, I got it. I got a Spotify account, check. I know how to create a playlist, check. But how do I get 1,000 followers? This is what I want everybody to do, and I want you to listen to me close. Everybody, I want you to copy and paste your playlist link below. Now, how do you do that? Now, listen, if I go to Overnight Millionaire here, that's a playlist I created. All you do is go here to copy the playlist link. You see that? And once you copy it, I want you to paste it in the comments below right now. You can do this, because what we're going to do is, because no man is an island, we all must work together to leave the 9-to-5 grind, and we must all work together to be rich and successful, okay? No one does it alone. When you copy your playlist, put it below, say, here's my playlist, follow me. I'm going to follow you, Hiram going to follow you, Vanessa, all of us that is watching this video is going to follow. I'm going to use my platform that would guarantee that you get at least 1,000 followers, but we have to work together. Does it make sense? It's not just about you making money. It's about everybody. Does that make sense? Now listen, once you follow, this is how you follow a playlist. You have to add that playlist to your current Spotify. You have to love it. When you open up a playlist, you have to love it. You add it, and then you click on their name here. This is my number. This is my prison number. And then you just follow. Does that make sense? You have to follow them. Okay? Understand this. Teamwork makes the dream work, ladies and gentlemen. Teamwork makes the dream work. Right now, I want all of you right now to do this. Okay? If we do this together, in the next 24 to 48 hours, everybody will have 1,000 followers, period. All you have to do is go to your Spotify, create a playlist. You can create your playlist based off my podcast link, or you can create whatever playlist you want. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. You can either go here, Wesley $1 Billion Virgin Podcast, and you can create a free playlist right now so you can be conditioned. You can be conditioned for wealth as well at the same time that you're making money on this website. Or you can add your music that you use to work out. Are you sitting your up? Whatever. It doesn't matter. Just create a playlist. Okay? Now listen. And then you want to copy and paste. Okay? Look at Miss Davis. Oh, let's go, Miss Davis. I'm going to follow you. Everybody go follow Leah Davis right now. Now listen. For this to work, you have to pay close attention. And after this video, I'm going to put some instructions below to make sure you don't miss a beat. When you follow the playlist, you have to follow the playlist. That's important. You have to add that playlist to your current playlist and like it. Does that make sense? And then after you do that, you have to click on that person's name and follow them. You follow their Spotify account. Does that make sense? Now the question is, can we all do this together? All right? I'm gonna show you how to make money because you have to qualify. Once you hit 1,000, man, you ready to go. And you're gonna listen to music all day if you want to. And they're gonna pay you to review the songs. You're gonna listen to the song 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and just review it. If you liked it, you hate it, you loved it, and they're gonna pay you up to $12. This is the most easiest money I've ever seen on the internet, to be honest with you, but we have to work together. That means that you have to put your playlist below, say, follow me and I will follow you. All of us. Does that make sense? Can everybody do that? Okay? If we all do this together, we all can at least make $100 to $200 a day. All right? That's $3,000 to $6,000 a month just listening to music. You're already doing it. Ladies and gentlemen, you already have your AirPod. You probably have headphones in your ear right now. Okay? So just listen to other artists. Listen, I love it because you're supporting other artists at the same time. You're supporting other artists that want to make money as well, right? And you're reviewing their music and letting them know if their music suck or is it great. And they're going to pay you in the process. This is a win-win. You can't tell me this is not a win-win. Listen, if I deserve a like, hit the like button. Now, let me show you. And I need everybody to do this with me. Now listen, if you want to guarantee to get 1,000 followers, like in the next 24 to 48 hours, this is what I need everybody to do. If we do it together, we will all win. Share and like the video. If you share this on your timeline and other people watch this, they'll do the same exact thing. Does that make sense? Listen, no man, no woman is an island. I didn't get here living this type of lifestyle because it was all about Wesley Virgin. I believe service leads to greatness, but that starts with you, all right? I'm serving you. I'm showing this cool way to make money. I know a ton of people that's doing this, okay? And I decided to make it public. If everybody would share, just imagine if everybody would share this video on their timeline or in a group, right? If they would share this, that means your friends will see it as well. And then when they copy their playlist below, they're going to follow it. And they're going to follow everybody else on the playlist because we're going to do it all together, right? And they're going to follow you as well. And then you're going to see your count go up from people that follow you. Once you hit 1,000, you can say, thank you, Wes. I appreciate it. It worked. I have 1,000. Let's go make this money. Okay? Now, how many of you are willing to share this video right now? I mean, everybody. I see 73 people watching the video right now. Everybody, just share it. Let's help everybody win, okay? This is a great platform. They pay on time. It's beautiful here. It's gorgeous, you know, because one thing I love about it, because you get paid to listen to music. You're already doing it. You already have a lot of you already have Spotify accounts here. All you have to do is help other artists out and let them know if their music is great or it sucks. Does that make sense? Okay? I love you. I appreciate you. Let's go! Motivated! Dedicated! Let go! Later.